How to grow a mango tree from seed at home, complete step-by-step guide. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to grow a mango tree from seed at home in a simple and successful way. If you have ever eaten a mango and wondered whether you can grow a tree from its seed, the answer is yes. And today, I will guide you step by step. Let's begin. First, choose a healthy and ripe mango. After eating the fruit, clean the seed properly. Remove all the pulp and wash it with water. This is important because leftover fruit can cause fungus or mold during germination. Now, the mango seed has a hard outer shell. To speed up germination, we need to carefully open this outer husk. Use a knife gently and slowly remove the hard covering. Be careful not to damage the inner seed. Inside, you will find a bean-shaped seed. This is the actual seed that will grow. Now check the seed. If it looks healthy and firm, it is ready for planting. There are two easy methods to germinate mango seeds, the paper towel method and direct soil planting. Let me explain the paper towel method first. Take a slightly damp paper towel and wrap the seed inside it. Place it in a plastic bag or container. Keep it in a warm place but not in direct sunlight. Within 7 to 14 days, you will see the seeds start to sprout. A small root will appear first. Once the root is about 1 to 2 inches long, it is time to plant it in soil. Now let's talk about soil. Mango plants prefer well-draining soil. A mixture of garden soil, compost, and sand works very well. Fill a medium-sized pot with this mixture. Make a small hole in the center and place the seed inside with the root facing downward. Cover it lightly with soil but do not bury it too deep. Water gently after planting. Place the pot in a sunny location. Mango plants love warmth and sunlight. They need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily for healthy growth. Keep the soil slightly moist but not soggy. Overwatering can cause root rot. Always check the top layer of soil before watering. In a few weeks, you will see a small green shoot coming out of the soil. This is your baby mango plant. As the plant grows, make sure it receives enough sunlight and fresh air. If you are growing it indoors, place it near a bright window. Now let's talk about care. During the growing season, feed your mango plant with organic compost once every month. This helps in strong root and leaf development. If the plant becomes too tall, you can pinch the top slightly to encourage bushier growth. This makes the plant stronger. Remember, mango trees grown from seed may take several years to produce fruit. Some seed-grown mango trees may not produce fruit identical to the parent fruit. But growing a mango plant from seed is still a very rewarding and exciting experience. If you live in a cold climate, protect your mango plant during winter because mango trees prefer warm temperatures. With patience, proper sunlight, balanced watering, and good nutrition, your mango plant will grow into a beautiful tree. Growing a mango tree from seed is simple, fun, and a great gardening project for beginners. If you enjoyed this step-by-step mango growing guide, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other plant lovers. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next gardening video.